Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are pleased to have the new Bakeey T91 wireless earphone combination smartwatch. This was delivered to us from the Banggood website with the price retailing at £36. That's around 46 in US dollars. As you can see, there is that engraved depiction of the earphones and smartwatch to the front of the box. And to the back, it states that this smartwatch is indeed IP67 waterproof. The earphones within the smartwatch are running the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and yep, there is a QR code to the rear, which when scanned, it will take you to the That Fit app, making sure to install it to get the most out of the smartwatch features. Inside the box, we have a very clear detailed user manual. Again, we have the That Fit app, QR code inside, and yes, everything comes very well packaged. Very well presented in fact, with a little box to the bottom that contains one magnetic USB charge cable, one set of rather small earphone ear tips, a free screen protector too, and looking at the smartwatch itself, it doesn't look too bad at all. It does have a very informative screen sheet to the front, stating that we should long press to boot and that we should charge before using. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Oh, okay, so underneath, it looks like we've already got a screen protector that's already fitted. That's good. This watch does come with a black and red detachable TPU watch band. You can get this particular watch in various different colours like black, silver, green, gold and red, which is what we've got right here, which does have that heart rate sensor to the rear with those dual charge pin connectors. That's when the charge cable is indeed connected, it does connect magnetically. With a full charge, that should take just under 2 hours. You can see we have them built-in earphones. Nope, I don't think these are spring activated to take them out, but in fact there is a little ridge just here where you can insert your nail and pull them out. Again, we've got dual charge pin connectors inside, but wow, these TWS earphones are super small. Let's place them back in for now. But you know what? Right from the off, I have noticed that this watch face, well, the size of the screen is a bit of an illusion. It's certainly not a widescreen picture, almost perfectly square in fact, like you get on most smartwatches, with the noticeable blank sides to the left and right. So yeah, a square touchscreen. What's going on with this now? Just work! So guys, alright, so it's been quite a busy evening. So shortly after this smartwatch was started up, we did play a bit of music off screen, but then the watch completely shut off. No, the touchscreen doesn't work, and what's even worse is that the smartwatch is now unable to charge. It's a bit of a shame really. Now, within that short music listening time, it was rather limited, and I've got to say, you shouldn't expect great audio when it comes to these earphones. For example, the bass was pretty much minimal, with quite below average mid and high tones. Yes, they did have touch activated controls for the previous net track selections, etc. But I mean, what can I say about this Bakeey T91 when it actually doesn't work and we are not able to have a look at the features? I mean, from the start, this Bakeey T91 smartwatch was looking rather promising. It's hard to judge really. At this moment in time, I think it would be wrong to give this particular watch any type of rating, and we do hope that this may be just a one-off. So just to confirm, we have contacted banggood.com and they have been rather swift and quick to fully reimburse me on what I paid. That is after I confirmed it was indeed faulty, after sending them a short video of the problem I was having. But for now, I think everything belongs right back in the box. Preferably with the lid nailed on, with this T91 smartwatch being deader than a doornail. But yeah, rather a quick review. We didn't expect this to happen today, but what can I say? You can check this smartwatch out if you wish. I will leave a link in the video description down below. You might get lucky, you might get a good one. And if you have guys, please comment down below. Let us know what your experience with this T91 smartwatch. How has it been for you? And have you had the same problem? But yeah, that's about it really. While you're in that video description, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure you hit that bell notification option. Now, we do pick some products sometimes and hope for the best. And today, unfortunately, it's not been one of those days. But at least, you know what, we've been quite truthful and we're sticking to what we promised, and that is to give you guys a very 100% truthful review. But we will return very soon with some new videos, so stay tuned for them. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And peace! Now chuck this watch in the bin. Shame.